Okay, hello everybody. I would like to give you a DIY fix it yourself for the template COVID-19 our teaching plan template. So there are missing value here that causing the calculation here is inaccurate. So so you need to give some values here. It's actually the same value from the initial setup for every week. So first, to fix this, you go to review menu here, and then unprotect the sheet. So in here, highlight the cell, make it equal to this cell because it's the same value, and drag until week 5. That's it. So you will get the total calculation of SLT for the whole semester for the COVID-19 setup. So that's all.